Safari imeisha. Nianze. GM. I'm at the beach with team Aquapurge and yeah, so DYR meets Aquapurge and I'm just here to talk to Ibra about what Aquapurge is all about as we enjoy the cool breeze of the beach. So please introduce yourself to the listeners and then we can discuss about Aquapurge.
So my name is Ibrahim Aziz. I'm the founder and executive director of the Aquapurge project. We just had a small cleanup event here just to show the experience to the Web3 space. We've been doing this for the past year and we managed to collect just over 3,500 kilograms of trash so far. So essentially what we are all about incentivizing communities against ocean pollution. We're doing that by building a mobile platform that will allow people to report sightings of ocean pollution along the shorelines and also actively participating in cleanup events. So just to mention, this beach is definitely one of the biggest point as to why Aquapurge is needed. As we saw, there was no one here. It's a low traffic kind of beach, and such places have the least amount of attention. And to solve that, we need to actively involve the local communities in doing so. And the best way to do so is to incentivize them. So we're going to be issuing tokens for everyone who reports sightings and who participates in the cleanup events.
Yeah, so fun fact, also heavy on environmental stuff. So what Aquapurge is doing, they are also incentivizing people who are also passionate about making sure that we have clean beaches and get rid of plastics and stuff. So as you can see, yeah, I was part, though I didn't come early enough, but yeah, they have done a wonderful work. They have collected most plastics today and they're also segregating the litter, plastics, rubber, and other kinds of wastes, which I think is super essential on just waste management. Separating of waste is crucial, not just collecting, and Aquapurge is doing that, so it's like a double-edged sword. So they teach the communities importance of beach cleanups. At the same time, you get incentivized. So rather than just showing up for cleanup exercises, then you go home. Aquapurge is now utilizing the power of blockchain to incentivize and make everything nice. I don't know if what I'm saying is almost exactly with what you do.
Yes, exactly. So for this specific cleanup event, the locals have told us to segregate the trash into rubbers and plastics because the rubbers are going to be used to create some art pieces and some building materials as well around here. So those rubbers are going to stay here and be used, and then the plastics and the other trash is going to be taken to a recycler.
Yeah, so there's even more. I usually call it circular economy or something like that. So they're not just going to throw it; they're going to make use of it to continue the life cycle of it and also get incentivized. So it's even more than what I was thinking. So as you can see, you can just show there a bit. Those are some of the trash that they have collected and they're still going on. They were here in the morning and yeah, it's a wonderful work. So Ibra, what are probably some of the people that you've worked with, not just in the Web3 space, that you're willing to share with us, and probably some uh, also Web3 related communities that are doing your work that you probably give a shout out to or you'd want to work with together?
So I'd really like to give a special shout out to a few members of the refi community, including Jimmy from Trigens. He's been really supportive since day one. We've had so much support from Liter Token, Refi Kenya, and much more. So these are the main people that we've been working with. And yeah, we definitely look forward to having more people from the Web3 space in these events.
Yeah, so I think uh, we are super busy today and the cleanup isn't over. We just wanted to talk to Aquapurge and see what they're doing in the environment and how it relates to the Web3 space and how everybody else can join and also learn. So if you just want to learn about blockchain and environment, Aquapurge is your guy. We also have a lot of content on blockchain, how refi works. So refi is something probably you're the best person, just like a short explanation of what refi is, and then we can summarize and go continue with the cleanup, and then we'll probably do a local video some other day.
So I like to define refi as using technology, in this case specifically Web3 technologies, for positive world impact. And this is not limited to just things like environment and all that. These include things that make social impact, like education or farming and such. So that's my kind of perspective of it. So basically the difference between regenerative finance and the traditional finance is that in regenerative finance we try as much as possible to make sure that whatever activities we are doing is not only beneficial to us financially, or in some cases not even beneficial to us financially, but also it benefits the society and the environment around us.
Fascinating. So just probably a final thing. Apart from beach cleanups and other stuff, are there other activities that Aquapurge is probably willing or rather planning to do and incentivize on matters related to environment? And finally, how can people who want to support your initiative get to you? Maybe social media handles or just uh, maybe I'll give a spoiler. Like in blockchain and Web3, there is usually like collect something called Gitcoin grants that you can talk about your project, then the Web3 community kind of donates to what you're doing. So in relation to, that's one of the spoilers. So what are other ways that communities and people can support your work? Yeah.
So we usually really appreciate any kind of support, be it sharing our posts, be it joining the cleanup events. We don't usually limit what people can do for us, but what people can do within the Aquapurge space is attend the cleanup events, give us some good feedback and on how we can improve our operations, bring in some new ideas, and when we have our DAO running, we would love for people in the Web3 space to be participating in it so that we can grow this thing much bigger than it is right now.
Uh, you probably forgot to share the social media handles and how we can reach you.
Yeah, you can find us on any social media under the tag Aquapurge Web3, Aquapurge Web3, or visit our website at aquapurge.org and you'll find us there.
Yeah, definitely share the social. Also follow us at DYR Labs and my personal at Hazard Crypto. I'll post everything and we'll share a lot more about this. What's your personal if you're willing to also share?
Oh, my personal one is Ibraziz21, IBRAZIZ21. Any social media platform, I use the same tag.
Yeah, and finally, just fun fact, the beach is really nice. So always join for the cleanups. Then you can have a swim later and enjoy the cool breeze. Like me, I'm planning to go and swim. So you will just get the benefits of cleaning your home planet and going to swim later. So yeah, thank you so much and hope to see you later. All right.